I just want to thank everybody. सबसे पहले my wife, my sister, my brother-in-law, Paresh, my brother, Raj Bansal, Bittu, who have always been very, very special to me in the worst situations of my life. I want to thank Vinod sir. I want to thank Raju. And there's another very important part of my life. His name is Abhijat Joshi. Where's he going?
टेलीफोन पर है किधर?
I love you too. And you know, they have always been with me, ups and downs. And Vinod sir and Raju and Abhijat have given me the best film of my life, and that's Munna Bhai. And I think ये भूमि के बाद में मैं कोई पिक्चर नहीं करूँगा, मुन्ना भाई करने वाला।
सुन रहे हैं अभिजात? उसको बोल, जल्दी कर।
You're listening? I want to thank Umang, I want to thank Sandeep for giving me this wonderful film, Shekhar ji, Anand ji, the whole crew, Master ji, Ismail bhai, अपना boss, Sharad, Puru, Siddhant, everybody, our man out there. Thank you for getting the best out of me. Thank you. And Aditi, thank you. And Ranbir, I love you and thank you so much. Please pray for this film. Thank you.
I want to say this one thing, that Bhumi feels very lucky and very blessed to have her Baba. It's really been an amazing journey for me, and I feel so lucky to have been a part of Sanju sir's comeback film. Also that I got to spend so much time with him. You know, we've all heard about how much Sanju sir is loved, but I saw it for myself with my own eyes, and I felt it with my own heart. The way that he takes you into his family, the way he protects you, actually like that. The way he's always there for you, the way that he listens to what you have to say. And as a co-actor, he's just incredible. You don't feel nervous. He looks very intimidating, but I always say he's the big friendly giant. He is just so kind and so giving and he gives very nice hugs. It was really incredible to have been a part of this journey. It was intense. Lot of tears, lot of blood, lot of sweat, and a lot of laughing. He has made me laugh just before a scene where I'm weeping buckets and Umang sir has looked at me like, what is she doing? But it's all his fault. But it's really been incredible, and thank you Umang sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you Sandeep for thinking of me for this. Thank you Vinod Chopra sir. Vidhu sir, I'm always happy to see you, and you have been a big part of my journey. And Raju sir, inspiring as always, and Ranbir, you know you're my favorite. And Bhushan Kumar sir, thank you so much. Thank you, and Priya, big hug. And thank you to every single co-star and everybody from the Bhumi team. Thank you so much. I really needed you. It was very emotional and quite traumatic, just the whole story, and I really needed you all, and thank you for being there for me. Thank you so much. And so, I could not have done this without you. Thank you. Thank you for being my Baba.
Bless you, Bhumi. Oops, sorry, Aditi. We're going back to Sandeep. We're chatting. Are you nervous? What is it?
I'm not nervous. I'm happy. छोटी सी चीज़ शेयर करना चाहूँगा. हर इंसान का कॉन्फिडेंस तोड़ दिया जाता है. हर चीज़ को हम मेहनत करते हैं तोड़ने में, जोड़ने में कम. जब भूमि की शुरुआत उमंग और मैंने की, तो सबने कहा मत बनाओ. तो हमने शुरू की बनाना. फिर हम बाबा के पास पहुँचे. बाबा ने बोला बनाओ. उसके बाद जब हम कास्टिंग पे आए, अदिति को ले, कन्फ्यूजन्स बहुत क्रिएट होता है. मतलब भूमि यहाँ खड़ी है, अदिति, मतलब जो कन्फ्यूजन्स क्रिएट होता है हमारे अंदर. सबने हमको कहा, क्योंकि हमारा उमंग, मैं पहली बार ये फिल्म बना रहे थे बाबा के साथ. बाप रे, ये होगा, वो होगा, ट्रबल होगा, ये होगा, बाबा टाइम पर नहीं आते, बाबा ये है, बाबा वो है. तो मैं बाबा से पूछा. बाबा बोले देखो, मैं तुम्हारे शूटिंग पे आऊँगा ना, तब हम बात करेंगे. फिर जब बाबा शूटिंग पे आए तो बाबा ने कंप्लेंट, देखो तुम्हारा एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर मुझे शेड्यूल नहीं दे रहा, और बाबा हमसे पहले शूट पे पहुंच जाते थे। ये है बाबा।
This man can play any character, but I remember in his interview saying that I don't know how has Sanjay Dutt lived such a lion-hearted life. So Ranveer, firstly, thank you so much for bringing him alive. You're somebody who doesn't even like to work out, and it's unbelievable. You're playing a man who has got all the muscles that the industry's ever wanted. So, your sentiments?
Well, I think, I was never a fan of workouts and gym. And I remember I've been working out in Sanju sir's gym since the last 10 years. And after 3 years, he came down and said, मैं तेरे को 3 साल से gym में देख रहा हूँ. कोई difference तो आया नहीं, तो करता क्या है? But good evening, everyone. Firstly, congratulations to Bhushan sir, Umang sir, Sandeep. I think the trailer was wonderful, as you all have seen today. It's amazing to see Sanju sir back on screen. I think this is his first release after his release. And like Raju sir said, we all have missed you so much. And when we see you on screen, it is magical. You know, something happens deep within. I think like all of us out here, I'm such a huge admirer and fan of yours, Sanju sir. Because I have had the good fortune of knowing you as a person. I've interacted with you since I was a child. So I know your heart. And I'm really happy and welcome back to the movies. I think we all missed you a lot.
And now,
all I have to say कि ये जो यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है ना संजय दत्त, मुझे काफ़ी साल हो गए हैं, मेरे ख्याल में कहना तो नहीं चाहिए पर ऑलमोस्ट कितने साल हो गए राजू, 30-40 तो हो गए होंगे। ऐसा मेरे को ना कोई मिला है, ना कोई मिलेगा, और पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ऐसा कोई आदमी। ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ये एक्सेप्शनल ह्यूमन बीइंग है, और मैं एक्चुअली इसको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ, लेकिन मैं इसको अब जानने लगा जब राजू ने कहानी इसकी सुनानी शुरू की। तो ये क्या है ये आदमी, इसको आप समझ ही नहीं सकते। मैं समझता हूँ कि वी हैव नॉट हैड आई हैवंट मेट अ मैन लाइक इट, एंड यू नो आई हैव टू से। और मैं गाली वाली दे देता हूँ स्टेज पे, हो तो आपको पता ही है, तो मैं सच ही बोलता हूँ झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं। Exceptional, and I really, from deep down my heart, I wish, and Nanu of course has been with us for a long time, I think this team, and I had liked Mary Com, I had called him when I saw the film, so I hope and pray to God that this film is what Sanjay Dutt deserves as a film for a family. Thank you.
Raju sir, we thank you for not just taking him up in one of your films. Your films inspire us, and if Viduji jo keh rahe hain ki inke jaisa na koi tha na koi hoga, so we're really looking forward to what you have to offer. But you've already given us so much with him in your films.
मैं क्या कहूँ, मैं संजू के बारे में क्या कहूँ। संजू मेरे फिल्म करियर का एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है। मैंने अब तक 4 ही फिल्में बनाई हैं, उसमें से 3 में संजू है, 5वीं बना रहा हूँ जो संजू के ऊपर है। इससे ज्यादा संजू मेरे जीवन का कोई हिस्सा हो नहीं सकता। He has inspired me. He did Munna Bhai, and the way he did it made that film great. And I wouldn't have been what I am because without Sanju. And I totally believe in that. So Sanju to हमारे साथ, Sanju came back 1.5 years back, and we were all missing him. So Sanju is back, but Sanju the actor is now back. So we've been waiting. वो एक विजुअल थर्स्ट होता है ना, संजू को देखा ही नहीं स्क्रीन पे, 3 साल से नहीं देखा। सो आई वाज रियली वेटिंग टू सी दिस ट्रेलर, एंड इट्स सो मैजिकल टू सी संजू बैक ऑन स्क्रीन विद दैट रेड गुलाल ऑन हिज फेस। संजू आर लुकिंग मैजिकल, एंड आई एम, यार पूरी फिल्म ही दिखा दो ना आज। सो संजू के बारे में अब मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहूँगा, लेट द फिल्म कम एंड देन यू